Hi, this is Clara for Blockchain of Things. In this tutorial, we'll create a flow that uses the List Issued Assets node in interactive mode. Before you proceed with this tutorial, you should already have learned how this node works, as well as how to create a flow using this node in runtime mode. If you haven't yet completed these tutorials or would like to review, you can access them here. Let's get started. Drag and drop a List Issued Assets node into your workspace. Double-click it to display its Properties slide-out panel. On the Device drop-down field, choose your Catenis virtual device. Add the node's configuration information based on your needs to each field. Wire this node to a debug node and open the debug sidebar. Click the red Deploy button on the upper right-hand side of the Node-RED dashboard to deploy this flow. Now let's test the flow. Click the button on the left of this node to send the default property panel setting to the Catenis APIs and through the flow. The debug sidebar should display the returned JSON object containing the results. Excellent! After watching this tutorial, you should understand how to use List Issued Assets nodes in interactive mode. Up next, you'll learn how to use the Retrieve Asset Info node.